Hello everyone, today we are exploring a hidden gem in Derbyshire. It is called Barlow Sunflower Fields. So if you are planning a vibrant day out surrounded by golden blooms, you'll want to stick around. So this is just the journey to there. We're passing lots of open fields and the scenery was really nice, very English countryside. This is just past the entrance into the sunflower field. They have a variety of different flowers before the sunflower field, so this one is like a mixed range. And here are the beautiful sunflowers. So once you're in, you can expect a calm open space filled with towering sunflowers. So an adult entry is just £3 and kids under 12 go for free. And if you do want to pick flowers, it is an extra £1 per sunflower stem, or it's £2 for a cone of wildflowers. And there is no booking required in this specific sunflower field. The fields are open daily from 10 AM to 8 PM during the season. There is a free car park just outside. So this field has a mixture of sunflower and wildflowers. And there is one that is a separate one which is only sunflowers, which I will show in a moment. There are also spots for taking pictures, such as this big chair. There is also a frame where you can take pictures. The colours and the height of the flowers make it a gorgeous natural backdrop, so it makes it perfect for photos and videos. There is also some space to do picnics. They have benches and it is a picnic friendly zone, so I would recommend taking your own food as there is no cafes or restaurants nearby. Occasionally they do open up a cart where they sell food, but when we went there wasn't one, so it might be worth taking some food with you. So I just took some sandwiches, some egg mayo sandwiches and some tuna sandwiches, and just a few snacks. It's so nice and peaceful. You can also see the hills in the background. Here are the picnic benches. It is definitely a peaceful escape amongst the nature. So I went in the evening time when the sun was starting to go down, so I would recommend coming a bit earlier for better daylight and for better lighting, especially if you're taking pictures. And that's it for today's visit to Barlow Sunflower Fields. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more hidden UK gems, and drop a comment letting me know where you'd like me to explore next.